In this video, I'm going to show you how to import file into IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, go ahead and open up your IbisPaint X. From here, click onto My Gallery, Online Gallery. I'm going to choose My Gallery for this. And now, in order to import a file, on the bottom of the page, we've got these different options. You want to click on the plus icon. And then at the top it says folder or import picture. So if you got the premium version of IbisPaint X, you can import a folder and files inside that folder. But if you don't, you're like me, you're just using the free version, you can go ahead and click on import picture, which is basically import file. So go ahead and click onto that. And now from here, I'm just going to choose the file I want to import. So if I want to import this line, I'm going to go ahead and click onto it. And you get this little pop-up. If you have imported analog line drawings, you can use exact line drawing filter to make the non-line areas transparent. Go ahead and click on remove background, extract line drawing, or cancel, and there you go, your file has been imported into IbisPaint X, where you can start editing and having a play around with it.